All right, y'all. Listen. I'm at Home Depot and I'm finna show y'all something. Those who garden knows, I'm finna show you something. It is Memorial Day weekend. And I'm gonna tell you something. Anybody that knows and garden in Texas know that it's supposed to be a lot of plants out. And I'm gonna show you what these plants. This is my second Home Depot. And let me show you what it's looking like. This is not cool, bro. Look at this. This is the second one I went to. And I'm like, what the fuck is this? Do you hear me? Now, for those who know that normally it would be more. Okay? Now, I came because I'm trying to find what I want to plant, which I might get some zucchini. Or I can get some eggplant. I don't know. I don't know watermelon. I don't know. Some won't look right. It ain't enough. It ain't enough to me. Not this time of year. I just would expect more. Let's see what kind of trees they got. Let's see. You know, of course, they're going to have lemon, passion fruit. And they not. They horrible. Don't look too, I mean, the lemon trees don't look bad, but look at the papaya and the passion fruit. Ew. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is what they looking like. Okay. So I see some sage. Okay. All right. I'm starting to think they're holding out a little bit. Okay, so this is what Home Depot look like. We're gonna go see what Lowe's look like. Okay? All right.